Here we are at question 3 of our exercise on tangent plane and normal line. This is a question here. The function and the point, we're supposed to find the tangent plane and the normal line to this function. I'm going to find the tangent plane and then in a separate video find the normal line. Right here, remember the tangent plane equation. We have a change in z is equal to the partial derivative of z with respect to x times a change in x plus the partial derivative of z with respect to y times a small change in y. Now that small change in z, we say it is z minus z naught equal delta z by delta x, x minus x naught plus delta z by delta y, y minus y naught. Alright? Now, you know delta z by delta x and delta z by delta y. But what is delta z by delta z? Well, if you consider that you subtract this from both sides and equate everything to 0, that would be minus z naught equals 0, right? What you see here is you have plus negative, like plus negative 1 times this, so it shows that delta z by delta z equal negative 1, right? So that's what you have there. Now, in fact, this equation, it can be written as delta z by delta x, x minus x naught plus delta z by delta y, y minus y naught plus delta z by delta z, z minus z naught. But from here, delta z by delta z, you can see that it is negative 1 when you convert it from this way. Alright? I'm trying to recover from the flu, so I may cough sometime and my voice, I can't really speak with much strength. Can't really speak loudly or for too long. Alright? Here, what we have here now is this. Oh, let me just get rid of this. So z minus z naught equal delta z by delta x, x minus x naught plus delta z by delta y, y minus y naught. Alright? What is delta z by delta x? From looking at this, oh boy, delta z by delta x is 4x cubed minus 326x squared y cubed plus 236 xy. Now, at negative 1, 4, what is it? It is 4 times negative 1 cubed, but x is negative 1, y is 4, right? Minus 6 by negative 1 squared times y is 4, 4 cubed plus 6 times negative 1 times 4. So that amounts to what now? negative 4 minus negative 1 squared is 1. 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 64. And then 6 times 64. Let me work that out. Times 6, 384. So that's 384. This is going to be a minus 6 fourths 24 equal. So negative 4 minus 384 minus 24. That's negative 412 minus 412 then. So that's what I have there. Alright. Now, just to double check, make sure everything is alright with it. So delta z by delta x, 4x cubed minus 6x squared y cubed. Is it y cubed or y squared? Let me look back at the equation. Yeah. So that's what we have there. So x to the fourth minus 2x cubed y cubed plus 3x squared y. Good. So when we differentiate with respect to x, we have x to the fourth minus 6x squared y cubed plus 6xy. Then we put in the negative 1 and 4. That's 4 times negative 1 cubed. So that's going to be negative 4. Just double checking and making sure everything is okay with it. Right? And we have negative 412 and so on. Ah, good. No problem. Then we have delta z by delta y equal. What do we get for that? This x is gone, it amounts to 0. Negative 326, negative 6x cubed y squared. Negative 6x cubed y squared. So we have that. And then what happens after that? Y plus 3x squared plus 3x squared. Now, at the point negative 1, 4 is going to be negative 6 and negative 1 cubed and 4 squared plus 3 times negative 1 squared. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1, so negative 6 by negative 1 is positive 6. Right? Now 4 is 16 times 6 gives us 96. That's 96. 1 squared is 1, 133 plus 3, which is 99. Alright. So we have 99 there. Alright. And from what we did earlier, we know that delta z by delta z by itself is negative 1. Okay, good. Now, we're going to put everything together. Oh, at Z0. We're supposed to find Z0. We have Z minus Z0. Didn't find it yet. What is Z0? Alright, so let's write down x naught equal -1, y naught equal 4. Z naught equals what? We have x to the fourth, which is -1 to the fourth, minus 2x cubed y cubed, that's minus 2x cubed y cubed, because y is 4. Alright, plus 3x squared y plus 3x squared -1 squared times 4. So this is -1 to the fourth is just 1. -1 cube is -1 times -2 plus 2 by 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 64 plus 3 fourths 12. Alright, so when we find our z naught, that's going to be let's put all of that together. 2 times 64 is what? 64 by 2 is 128 plus 1, that's 129. So 129 plus 12 give us 141. That's 141. So z minus z naught, which is 141, equal delta z by delta x at the point, that's -412 x minus x naught, and x naught was -1 minus -1, which is +1, plus delta z by delta y is 99. Y minus y naught, and then y naught is 4. Okay, so we put this together now. Z equals, if we add 141 to both sides, we get, alright, -412x minus 412 plus 99y minus, we have 99 times 4, giving us 396 plus 141. So z is equal to -412x plus 99y. Alright, let's put the numbers together. We have -412, right? Minus 396 plus 141, 667 minus 667. Alright, so that's the equation of the tangent plane. Alright, now we're going to find the normal line in another video.